Still stuck with wires and dead batteries? It's time to go solar, stylishly. Introducing Garden Solar Lamp. No need of electric, just install in 5 minutes, only uses solar. We have 2 variants. Here's the first one. Has a soft ambient glow, perfect for weddings or patios. Has a sleek matte finish for modern garden aesthetics. It's water resistant for all weather. Charges in the day, shines all night. Here's the second one. Brighter white light as well, perfect for pathways or yards. Has a ribbed lens design, spreads light wider. Durable build with high quality plastic so it's rust free. Engineered with premium materials to deliver lasting comfort far beyond disposable online alternatives. Both are perfect for pathways, garden, patios, yards. All Saints' Day and weddings. Garden Solar Lamp is now available at all leading Ace Hardware stores nationwide. It would be the best choice to make your property elegant. Modern lifestyle, designed for your needs.